It was a quiet evening in the small town of Millfield. Sofia, a kind and curious girl, was walking home from the market. She loved to help her parents at the shop. But today something was different. As she reached her house, she noticed that her favorite necklace was missing. It was a beautiful silver necklace, a gift from her grandmother. She had always worn it, and now it was gone. "Where is my necklace?" Sofia thought. She checked her pockets, but it wasn't there. She ran back to the market, looking carefully on the ground, but the necklace was nowhere to be found. Her heart sank. "I can't lose this necklace," she thought as she walked back home. "It means everything to me." She sat down on the steps of her house and started to think. There was one place she hadn't checked: the old house at the edge of the town. People said strange things happened there at night. Some people believed that at midnight, someone entered the house to do black magic on the people of the town. The house had been empty for many years, but strange noises were sometimes heard from inside, and the windows were always dark. Sofia had always been told to stay away from the house. But now, her necklace was missing, and she had a feeling that maybe, just maybe, it had something to do with the mysterious house. She made a decision. She would go to the house and look for her necklace. It might be dangerous, but she couldn't live without it. The moon was bright as Sofia walked towards the old house. The wind whispered through the trees, and the leaves rustled under her feet. As she got closer, she saw the house standing tall and dark against the night sky. It looked even scarier than she had imagined. The windows were cracked, and the door hung loosely on its hinges. Sofia took a deep breath and stepped inside. The air was cold, and there was a strange smell, like something old and forgotten. Sofia walked carefully through the dusty rooms, calling out softly, "Hello, is anyone here?" But there was no answer, just the sound of her footsteps echoing in the silence. She moved further into the house, her eyes searching the shadows. Suddenly, she heard a noise, a soft whisper, almost like a voice calling her name. Sofia froze, her heart pounding. She looked around, but she could see nothing. "It's just the wind," she told herself, trying to calm down. She walked through the dark hallway, and soon she reached a door at the end. It was slightly open. Sofia pushed it slowly, and as she entered the room, she gasped. In the center of the room was a circle on the floor, drawn in chalk. Candles surrounded the circle, their flames flickering in the dark. It looked like someone had used the room for something strange. Sofia felt a chill run down her spine. She knew this wasn't a place for a girl like her. But as she looked closer, she saw something shining on the floor. There, in the middle of the circle, was her necklace. It was glowing in the dark, almost as if it had a life of its own. She reached for it. But just as her fingers touched the necklace, a shadow moved in the corner of the room. Sofia turned quickly and saw a figure standing there. The figure was tall, dressed in black, with a hood that hid their face. Sofia's heart raced. She knew immediately that this person was not just any ordinary person. They were the one who had been rumored to do black magic in the house at midnight. The figure spoke, their voice soft but clear. "You should not be here," they said. "The necklace belongs to me now." Sofia stepped back, holding onto the necklace tightly. "No, it's mine," she said, her voice shaking. "I need it." The figure did not move, but Sofia could feel the power in the air. She knew this person had some kind of magic, and it scared her. "Please," Sofia said, trying to sound brave. "I just want my necklace back." It's a gift from my grandmother. You can't keep it." The figure was silent for a moment, and Sofia felt a wave of fear wash over her. Was she going to lose the necklace forever? Would the figure hurt her? But then something strange happened. The figure slowly lowered their hood, revealing their face. Sofia stared in shock. It was not the face of a stranger. It was her grandmother. But how could that be? Her grandmother had passed away years ago. "Grandmother?" Sofia whispered, feeling confused and scared. The figure smiled gently. "Sofia, it's me. I did not mean to scare you. I have been protecting this necklace. It has magic in it, and it must be kept safe." Sofia was shocked. "Magic? But why didn't you tell me?" she asked. Her grandmother's face softened. "I wanted to, but the time wasn't right. You are ready now. This necklace has been passed down through generations. It holds power, and it must never fall into the wrong hands." Sofia felt a weight lift from her shoulders. She had been afraid, but now she understood. "What should I do?" she asked. Her grandmother nodded. "You must take it and protect it. The necklace will guide you, but only if you believe in its power. Use it wisely, and it will always be with you." With those words, the figure began to fade away, leaving only the soft glow of the necklace in Sofia's hands. As the light slowly dimmed, Sofia felt a warmth in her heart. The house, once dark and cold, now seemed peaceful. She knew that she had a great responsibility ahead of her, but she was ready. Sofia walked out of the house, the necklace safe in her hand. The wind had stopped, and the night was calm. She felt proud of herself for being brave, and as she made her way home, she knew that her grandmother's spirit would always guide her. From that day on, Sofia kept the necklace close. She never forgot the lesson her grandmother had taught her. Sometimes we must face our fears in order to find the answers we seek. And no matter how dark the night may seem, there is always light if we believe in it.